In this video, I'm going to show you how to know session in TradingView. Now, there's actually a few ways to do this. The first one is going to be by using the built-in session indicator. So just go to the top over here, click on indicators, and you can just type in sessions, and then you can use any of these over here. So we have these under community and then these under technicals. If I go and use trading sessions, for example, it looks like this. You can see in the back. If I go and use something else like this one from Lux Algo, as you can see, it's going to get added on here and it's going to look like this, etc. Okay, so there's a bunch of different ones. You can use whichever one you prefer. You can test them and see whichever one, of course, you want to use. Now, that's the first way. The second one is to use session breaks. You could go to the top right here, click on settings, then go to events over here and enable session breaks like this. Click on OK, and you'll see, there we go, session breaks will pop up. And of course, you can go ahead and change like the time frames, or of course, however you want to view this, the intervals. However, this is only going to work intraday. So if I go to 1 day, for example, these are not showing anymore because it must be, of course, anywhere in between here. So if I do 4 hours, I'm seeing them, but more than that, unfortunately, you can't see them. So that's how to basically know sessions. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.